Hey guys, in this video we're going to build a simple game called Snake using Loveable service. First, refine our prompt with ChatGPT. Second, connect our project to Supabase. Third, build the project itself, our first iteration of the game. And fourth, authentication so players can log in and save their scores. Let's go. So here's the game. This is my snake. I'm trying to catch this red block. Oh yeah, you see my snake growing. Okay, this is the end. This is the game we're going to create. But first, we have to refine our prompt. This is the first trick. Because Loveable will build your application right after you make a first prompt, it definitely will lose something you want to see. So let's refine our prompt first using, for example, ChatGPT. And this is my prompt. I want to create a snake-like game using Loveable service. Help me to create prompt for that. This is answer from ChatGPT, and the crucial thing here is ask clarifying questions. So it will help me to offload everything I have in my mind about this game and some features I don't think about right now. I will share this dialogue. You will find it in the description of the video. For now, it asked me 5 questions: platform, style, controls, game feature, and complexity. And I answered web, modern smooth style, arrow keys, score counter, levels, and so on, and it will be a minimal MVP. Okay, and that's enough. And here is the prompt. Build a modern snake-like game as a web page using HTML, CSS, and so on. Here's the requirements: full screen, visual style, control, everything we described in ChatGPT questions. Here is it. Now I just copy. So this was the first step. Refine our prompt. Step number 2. Let's connect our Loveable project to dedicated server to store our users and scores, and for that Loveable offers us a Supabase. Here is the button. Now I'm going to click Supabase, add organization. We have to understand that Supabase is separate server, separate service. It's not a Loveable, so we create another account into another service, and Loveable will connect it. So here they offer us to sign up. This is my email, my password. Yes, sign up. Check my email to confirm. Okay. I go to my email, click the link, and I see this window. Everything was okay. I connected. Now they asked me to create organization. Create organization. Organization is needed to install. Yes, create. And this is my organization name. I like it. Let it be. Okay, personal fee 0. Okay, create organization. Now the last step, authorize Loveable, connected successfully. Cool. Now I think I can close it, get back to my Loveable, refresh it. This is my organization. Inside this organization, I create a new project. And this project will be exactly for our snake game. I will call it snake game. Database password, suggest. For now, we don't going to use database, but I think we will need it later. It's better to have this region closer to our consumers. Let's go, create new project. We need to wait a little bit until Supabase setting everything up. Now it's done. Get back to Loveable. Check projects. Yeah, snake game. Exactly what we need. Now we connect it to our project at Supabase. Step number 3, insert prompt from the step number 1. Get back to ChatGPT, copy, paste, and let's go. Now Loveable needs few minutes to run everything and build the first variant of our application. Okay, here's our game. Let's try. And from what I see, nothing works. Okay, cool. This is where we can ask, check the game. It seems like it doesn't work. Agent thought 1.5 minutes and it found something. Console errors. Now it fixed it and it asking us try to start the game again. Okay, let's try start again. Oh, perfect. Now it works. And this is where we can go to step 4. In this step, we will add authentication and score storage. Let's do it. I will write here add authentication and store score. Supabase asking me to make changes in database. Yes, approve. This is where Loveable call our Supabase account and make changes there on Supabase. Now, after a few iterations and requests for approval, now it's everything done, and I see there is a nice sign up, sign in form, sign up, sign in. It has links to Supabase user dashboard and authentication settings. Let's try to sign in. Account created, check your email. Here is my Supabase confirmation. Confirm your mail, yes. Okay, now it works. I can close it and get back. Refresh my email. snake@gmail.com. I'm logged in. One, two, three. Okay. Final score 30. And final check if it saved. Play again. And here's the thing. Score is 0. Score itself overlap with my email, and sign out button doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is tell about that. Sign up, sign out button doesn't work. Score tab overlap with email, and score doesn't reflect real value from database. Now I can see sign out button respond my mouse. Leaderboard score is here, and score tab is no longer overlap my email. Now everything looks good, and we can publish it. Here's the button, publish. Yes, publish. And here we are. We are live now. Here is our game. Everything looks cool. Everything works. I think it's beautiful. All right, so that's what we built today. We started by refining a good prompt, then connected our Loveable app to Supabase, built first version, and finally added authentication so players can log in and keep their scores. If this was helpful, I'd really appreciate if you give the video a like, subscribe to the channel down there, and drop any ideas or questions into the comments. I'll be checking them. And in the next video, we'll dig a little deeper into the backend side with Supabase. So stay tuned.